So next one is non-ideal behavior of gases. Actually, real gas is differ with ideal gas. What is ideal gas? The gas which obey all gas laws at STP conditions is known as ideal gas. So what is real gas or perfect gas? Real gas means what is volume of the gas by volume of perfect gas means real gas, ideal gas. The gas which does not obey all gas laws at STP conditions is known as what is a real gas. Actually, ideal non-ideal behavior explained with respect to compressibility factor. What is a compressibility factor? So now compressibility factor Z equal to molar volume of gas, molar volume of the gas, molar volume. What is the molar volume of the gas? Okay, V, molar volume of gas by molar volume of perfect gas. What is the molar volume? Molar volume of perfect. What is a perfect gas? So it is V perfect, PR. What is it? V perfect. So simply volume of the gas means real gas. What is a real gas? So volume of the perfect gas means ideal gas. So then Z equal to V real, volume of real gas by volume of ideal gas. So what is the volume of ideal gas? Actually, if the Z value, what is Z values? Z value. Z equal to 1, the gas which behave like ideal. So then for example, Z is greater than 1. Z is greater than 1. The gas which show the positive deviation. What is a positive deviation? If the Z value is less than 1, the gas which show the negative deviation. What is a gas which show the negative deviation? So for example, let us consider a graph drawn between what is pressure and what is a graph drawn between pressure and PV. What is the pressure and PV? So PV values is taken on y-axis, P values is taken on x-axis. P values is taken on what is a x-axis. So now PV equal to what is a constant? Actually in this graph, so the curve is parallel with x-axis. What is a parallel with like that x-axis? If parallel with x-axis is Z value equal to 1, the gas which behave like what is ideal. What is ideal? So for example, it is the He, like that it is H2, like that it is O2, like that it is N2, like this one is CO2, etc. What is etc. So now the gases which show the positive deviation by hydrogen and helium, because this Z is greater than 1, these gases which show the positive deviation. So remaining 3 gases, what are CO2, N2, O2? So these gases compressibility factor is, because these are the negative values, okay, below the Z equal to 1. So less than 1, the gases which show the negative deviation. What is gases which show the negative deviation? So these are the non-ideal gases. Actually, these are explained with the different temperatures also. What is it? These are explained with the different temperatures also. Okay. So now actually Z equal to PV by RT equal to 1. PV by RT equal to 1. So now it is show the ideal behavior. What is show the ideal behavior? What is the ideal behavior? Okay. So now after completion of this one, critical temperature. What is next one is critical temperature. What is a critical temperature? So now critical temperature means that temperature which above the gas cannot be liquefied is known as critical temperature. What is a critical temperature? So generally critical constants are there. What are critical constant? Now TC, critical temperature, it is 8A by 27, it is RB. 27 RB. So same as critical pressure is A by 27 B square. So critical volume is 3B. What is the critical volume? Is the 3B. These three are the critical constants. So these are three are critical. What is the critical constants? What is these three are the critical constants. So now what is critical temperature? The temperature which above the gas cannot be liquefied. To apply any external high pressure is known as what is a critical pressure. At critical temperature, the pressure, the required pressure is known as critical pressure. The volume is known as critical volume. So now it is explained with one suitable example with respect to carbon dioxide. Critical temperature with respect to WRT with respect to carbon dioxide. What is a carbon dioxide? CO2 gas. So now, for example, let us consider a graph. That is, for example, let us consider a graph. Now, pressure is taken on what is a y-axis. Now, temperatures is taken on x-axis. What is the temperatures is taken on x-axis? These are the isotherms. What are pressure and what is a volume? Sorry, it is the volume is taken on x-axis. So these are the isotherms. Actually, isotherms. So what is isotherms? At constant temperature, a graph or plot drawn between pressure and volumes. These are the isotherms. What is the isotherms? Wherein T is constant. So now a graph drawn between pressure and volume at different constant temperatures. What is different constant temperatures? So now, okay, listen carefully. So now it is the rectangular hyperbola. Actually, it is the rectangular. What is a rectangular hyperbola? What is a rectangular hyperbola? It is a rectangular hyperbola. So it is rectangular hyperbola. So like that. Okay. So now, actually, if you take what is a CO2 gas, find out the critical temperature of CO2 gas like that. Okay, now this CO2 gas at different what are temperatures. For example, it is A, it is B, it is C, and it is D. It is E, it is F, it is G, and it is H. It is I, it is J, it is K. It is L, M, it is M, like that. So now it is at 20 degrees centigrade temperature. It is 30 degrees centigrade temperature. It is the 31.1 degree centigrade temperature. 31.1 degree centigrade temperature. So now it is the pressure required to the critical temperature. So it is the critical pressure. It is 73 atmospheres. So now wherein it is the peak highest volumes also, that is the VC. It is the 95.6. Okay, 95.6 liter. Okay, volume. So now it is a liters. Okay, so it is the critical volume, it is critical pressure, it is the critical temperature. So now what happens in this graph actually, CO2 is gas at room temperature. So now isotherm at 20 degrees centigrade, isotherm at 20 degrees centigrade, A2B is gas. What is it? A2B is a gas. From B, the gas converted into liquid, then point B, gas converted into liquid, then B to C, liquefaction of gas progress the liquefaction of gas. So then B to C is liquefaction. At the point C, it is the end of liquefaction, end of liquefaction. Then C to D, the gas is mainly considered as a gas but not a vapor. So it means at 20 degrees centigrade, at point B liquefaction start, at point C liquefaction is end. Same as EFGH. EFGH is similar to ABCD, but the liquefaction temperature is different. So it is 20 degrees, it is 30 degrees. Wherein liquefaction start from F and liquefaction end at G. So next one is temperature increases at 31.1 degree centigrade temperature. So now it is the gas is completely converted into what is a liquid. What is a liquid? Above this temperature, for example 32 degrees centigrade, 34 degrees centigrade, the gas cannot be liquefied. So critical temperature means it is the highest temperature for liquefaction of gas. The gas converted into liquid. It is the highest temperature. It is called critical temperature. So at critical temperature, the pressure is critical pressure, and critical temperature, the volume is critical volume. What is a critical volume? So these are the critical temperature constants. What are critical temperature constants?